おはよう、こんにちは。
Look, fallen leaves. Today, I'm using fallen leaves to color the Dorodango. First, I collected colorful red and yellow leaves. I dried them by the dehumidifier at home. If you don't have a dehumidifier, just dry indoors for 2 to 3 days, or try a microwave. Let's crush the leaves into powder. My kids are on autumn break, so we crushed leaves together. And it's ready. Next, we'll put it in the mortar. We're going to grind. Let's fast forward it. Took about 30 minutes to crush it all. My arms are tired. If you like this series, maybe I'll get an electric grinder. If you want more, do it again in the comments. After 30 minutes, look how fine it is. Now let's take it out. Look at this beautiful yellow. I'm removing the fibers. It's getting even finer. We'll keep grinding. I crushed it really fine. Now I'll wet the core Dorodango to prepare it for color. For this step, check out the tutorial video. For details on coloring, watch this video. Alright, it's ready for color. Now, let's finally add the leaf powder. I'm mixing in clay powder, but just on one part. I'm leaving some parts without clay mixed in. Apply the mixed powder all over. Using my finger, I'll apply just the leaf powder as accents. After pressing it in with my finger, I'm coating the inside of the cup with olive oil. I'm gently polishing it, like a soft touch. Look at my face. I'm so excited. It's starting to shine, gently polishing to fix the color. I added a bit more leaf powder as an accent. Then I gently polish again. I'm placing it on the cup to polish more. Whoa! Amazing! It even smells like leaves. It smells so good and looks beautiful. The pattern is so mysterious. Wow! So beautiful. Incredible. The leaf fibers are perfectly sealed on the surface. I polished it well for about 15 minutes. Look, can you see it? A beautiful Dorodango full of colorful leaves is complete. Give it a try, everyone. Now I'm drying orange peels. Next, I'll try a Dorodango with an orange scent, maybe even with some orange oil. If you have requests, write them in the comments. See you in the next video.